Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the drag and drop calendar meal plan in your 30-day quicker dinners blueprint. You'll start by going to the recipes tab on the upper left hand corner of the screen and clicking on that. And then you will choose the drag and drop meal plan option. And from here, that's going to take you into the calendar. Now this is where you will plan all of your meals. You'll see you can change the month by using those arrows. And then if you go to the right of that, you can have it show you the month, a 2-week period, a 1-week period, a 3-day period, or a single day period. But for this, I'm just going to use the monthly view. And then from there, you can choose to find a record by either scrolling or using that Find Record section to type in whatever it is you might be looking for in terms of the recipes that you want to add into your calendar. Once you type it in, it will show you what's available for that particular keyword. And you can use this little button to choose whether you see it with dates, things that are already scheduled, or without dates, which are just the items on the side. Now, if it disappears for some reason and you can't find that side panel, go to See Records and click on that and it will appear again. I've had that happen to me, which is why I'm showing you that. But to go ahead and schedule things into your calendar, you can scroll down, find the recipe that you want, and drag it into whatever date you are hoping to cook it. And it's just as easy as that to get things scheduled onto your calendar. Now, we're going to skip over to where everything is scheduled for the next couple weeks. And let's say you realize that you accidentally scheduled something that you don't want to cook on that day. It is as simple as taking whatever it is that you accidentally scheduled and dragging it back to unschedule it, and then scheduling whatever you want in its place if you choose to. You can also move it to different days. If you want to cook it on a different day, this is totally customizable to whatever your needs may be. Now, in previous versions of this, I had included a mobile meal plan calendar view because in the older versions of the Airtable mobile app, it did not allow you to view the calendar view. That has since changed, but I am still keeping this view in here in case you wanted to view all of your recipes that are scheduled on your meal plan in order of date. So that is available to you in that view. You can learn more about using the 30-day quicker dinner blueprint in the Airtable mobile app on my tutorial for using the mobile app, which is also in this YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe for more videos on how to use this blueprint, and follow The Life Jolie on Instagram or my website, thelifejolie.com. Thanks so much. Have a good day.